Today, we're discussing the 12 best foods to eat if you're over 50. If you've passed the age of 50, you've likely begun to notice changes in your body. You may be feeling less energetic and more forgetful than you used to. You might be noticing that it takes a little longer to recover from injuries, or maybe even some of your old injuries are rearing their ugly heads again. The good news is that these are all signs that your body is trying to tell you something. It's time for a change in the way you eat. Eating healthy will improve the quality of your life and help keep you full of energy. It can also help reduce the risk of developing certain diseases like heart disease and diabetes, which are common among older adults. But what does a healthy diet look like for someone who's over 50, and how do you know which foods are good for you? Well, we're here to help. Here are 12 foods essential for individuals over 50, accompanied by practical tips to incorporate them into your diet. These selections are tailored to nourish both body and mind, fostering vitality beyond 50, and will highlight their significance. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. First of all, let's begin by discussing the fantastic benefits of sweet potatoes, which are at the top of our list. These starchy delights are packed with essential nutrients that can contribute to your overall health. One of the prominent qualities of sweet potatoes is their abundant vitamin A content, which promotes healthy eyesight and a radiant complexion. Additionally, they are an excellent source of vitamin C and E, vital nutrients that act as antioxidants and aid in tissue repair. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, offering approximately 3 grams per 100 grams of serving. Fiber in sweet potatoes provides numerous benefits, such as providing a feeling of fullness and supporting digestive well-being. Number 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is a super healthy food that's especially great for people over 50. Studies have shown that eating yogurt can do wonders for your health. First off, it's packed with calcium and fortified with vitamin D, which are super important for keeping your bones strong and preventing osteoporosis. Plus, the probiotics in yogurt, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, are awesome for your gut health. They help with your immune system, digestion, and absorbing nutrients. And don't forget about the protein in yogurt. It's great for keeping your muscles strong and helping you stay active. On top of all that, yogurt has cool stuff like peptides and antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and lower your risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So, if you're over 50, adding yogurt to your diet can really boost your bone health, digestion, immune system, and overall health. Number 3. Black beans. Next on our list are the very healthy black beans. These small nutritional gems provide many health benefits, making them a great choice to add to your diet. Black beans are rich in fiber, which is good for digestive health and promotes satiety, while also being low in fat and cholesterol-free, making them a heart-healthy food choice. Additionally, they are a rich source of plant-based protein, which is essential for supporting various bodily functions. Fortunately, black beans are widely available and can be found in most grocery stores. When purchasing canned black beans, it's important to pay attention to the labels. Opt for varieties without added sugar or excessive salt. Look for the no salt added options. Whenever you incorporate black beans into your meals, you're not only enjoying their delicious taste but also supporting the health of your heart and brain. Number 4. Eggplant. Eggplant is a fantastic vegetable that offers many health benefits and is a great addition to a healthy diet. It is high in fiber and packed with important vitamins such as vitamin A and C, which are essential for keeping your eyes healthy. Additionally, it boasts a generous amount of potassium, a mineral known for its ability to regulate blood pressure and promote heart health. On top of that, eggplant contains phytonutrients such as anthocyanins, which have antioxidant properties that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Eggplant is so versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy this veggie in so many tasty ways, like roasting, baking, or even grilling. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also has incredible health benefits. Treat yourself to this flavorful vegetable and boost both your taste buds and your overall well-being. Before moving on, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our latest videos. Number 5, Broccoli. The fantastic broccoli, known for its versatility, is a nutritional treasure trove loaded with a diverse range of essential vitamins and minerals. Broccoli is particularly rich in vitamins A, C, and K, making it an exceptional choice for maintaining optimal health. Moreover, it boasts a high fiber content, which is beneficial for digestion and overall well-being. What sets broccoli apart is its impressive arsenal of antioxidants. These powerful compounds have been linked to various health benefits, including reducing cholesterol levels, preventing diabetes, and promoting heart health. Also, broccoli helps the body detox by getting rid of harmful toxins in the liver and stopping them from building up. Make sure to include broccoli in your meals to enjoy its numerous health benefits, as it plays a vital role in supporting the health of your body's cells. Number 6, Beetroot. Beets are amazing root vegetables that are packed with health benefits. They are full of nutrients that make them one of the healthiest foods you can eat. One of the important nutrients they contain is antioxidants called betalains that safeguard the body's cells from damage. Furthermore, betalains help counteract the harmful effects of free radicals that often result from consuming unhealthy foods. Rich in potassium and magnesium, beets play a crucial role in maintaining optimal health. A deficiency in these minerals can lead to various health issues such as irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, weakened bones and muscles, insomnia, and headaches. Moreover, beets are good for your stomach and can help with many stomach problems. They provide important nutrients to the bacteria in your gut, which helps to keep your digestive system healthy. By eating beets, you can get many health benefits. Number 7, Salmon. Wild-caught salmon is famous for being rich in health-boosting nutrients, especially omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. These nutrients are important for keeping bones strong, the immune system healthy, and the heart in good condition. It's important to prioritize wild-caught salmon over its farm-raised counterpart. Farm-raised salmon tends to contain higher levels of saturated fats compared to the leaner and more nutritious wild-caught variety. To make sure you get the most advantages, it is suggested that you limit how much farm-raised salmon you eat. The experts at the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Food Data Central recommend having 2 servings of fish in your diet every week to fully harness the advantages. Including wild-caught salmon in your meals can provide your body with essential omega-3s and vitamin D, which are important for bone health, a strong immune system, and a healthy heart. Number 8, Avocado. Avocados are super healthy because they contain good fats, like monounsaturated fats. These fats are great for your heart and can actually lower bad cholesterol, which means a lower chance of heart problems. They also have vitamins such as E and C, that can protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in your body. Avocados are also good for your eyes because they have lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help prevent eye problems as you get older. They even have special chemicals that can slow down aging and keep you healthy. It's a good idea to eat avocados in moderation because they have a lot of calories. Try to have about half an avocado each day in your diet to enjoy the benefits while maintaining a balanced calorie intake. Number 9. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are a versatile legume that offer many benefits and are a great addition to any diet. One of the best things about chickpeas is that they are high in both protein and fiber, which can help with digestion and weight loss. Eating a high-protein diet can support muscle maintenance, prevent muscle loss as you age, and may improve heart health by managing weight and controlling blood sugar levels. Chickpeas are also rich in magnesium, which is important for keeping your bones strong. If you are trying to eat less red meat, chickpeas are a great alternative. You can find them in cans or dried in most grocery stores. Try using chickpeas instead of ground beef in dishes like casseroles, stews, or soups to enjoy their nutritional benefits and add a new flavor to your meals. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger is an amazing ingredient that not only makes dishes taste better but also has many health benefits. It is full of antioxidants such as flavonoids that help protect the body from harmful free radicals. Moreover, it possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate joint pain and reduce inflammation. Few studies have indicated that ginger may even contribute to the prevention of various conditions such as heart disease and Alzheimer's disease. Further research is still ongoing. For adults, the recommended daily amount of fresh ginger is up to 4 grams, as suggested by the FDA. Aside from its health benefits, ginger may aid in digestion, boost nutrient absorption in the body, and offer various enjoyable forms of consumption. It can be savored as a soothing tea, added to stir-fries, or incorporated into a refreshing smoothie, all contributing to overall good health. Number 11. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a healthy vegetable that is full of vitamin C and antioxidants, which are good for your health. Vitamin C helps your immune system and makes your skin healthy. Antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of getting sick. Cauliflower is low in calories and carbs, making it a good choice for managing weight and controlling blood sugar. It also has fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. You can cook cauliflower in many different ways to make it taste good and keep its nutrients. For example, roasting cauliflower with olive oil and garlic is a tasty option. While cauliflower is a good addition to a healthy diet, it's important to remember that eating it alone won't make you immune to diseases. But when eaten as part of a balanced diet, cauliflower can help keep you healthy and feeling good. Number 12. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that is often used in Asian cooking. It is known for its many health benefits. The main compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is an antioxidant and has strong anti-inflammatory properties. In emerging research, it has been studied and found that it may help with joint pain and reduce inflammation, which is why it is often used as a natural remedy for arthritis. Recent research also suggests that curcumin may be good for brain health. It could potentially protect against cognitive decline and improve cognitive function. Add turmeric powder to curries, stews, soups, and sauces to infuse them with flavor and color. To get the most out of turmeric, it is recommended to eat it with black pepper, as this can help the body absorb it better.